difference.
Hey, I'm Maximus Aran, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can have high volume hairstyles even if you have long hair. My hair length is like, let me show you, comes up till here. And you know, a lot of people believe that once your hair comes up till like your upper lip, you cannot achieve volume and stuff, but that is all a myth. I've seen people give wrong information on YouTube by saying if your hair starts to grow longer, you cannot achieve volume. That is wrong, and people listening to that, they go and make their hair short when they actually wanted long hair, but they say, oh, I'm not gonna get volume, so I'm gonna cut my hair short. It is not like that. See, the thing to achieve volume is you have to understand science. You have to understand the mechanics of your hair. This sounds weird, but take an example. A book's over here, like it's standing, and another book is here. These books have a chance to most likely fall like that, but what if you slant this book, like you push this book forward? There is a lesser chance of this book falling down. The same thing with your hair. So to achieve volume, what you need to do is push the back of your hair forward and then your front hair, like your fringe backwards. So the back of your hair is pushing forward, it is supporting your fringe, so your hair is less likely to fall. And you know, most people, to achieve volume, they go crazy on a blow dry process and they end up having frizz in their hair. So the hair turns out not to be silky and smooth and rather frizzy, and that is not an attractive look. So what I always do, I hop out of the shower, apply hair oil, let it, you know, soak in properly, dry, and then I just run my hands through and my hair is perfect. Like, not perfect, but I achieve my volume and stuff. So let me demonstrate that quick. So I'll push the back of my hair front and my hair here, and right now I like to like push one side of my hair over here. So see, you got volume, but now I actually want to end up on this side. So there you go, the back of your hair front, because once your hair grows long, you tend to have this back attack here. Like your back of your hair is so long that the rear side of your head looks pretty weird. So that's why push it in front, this over here, and whoa, we're done. Only thing, I just need to comb it out. Okay, now if I apply product, I can make my hair like look as if I've got an electric shock. I can make it stand up to the roof. I can achieve as much volume as I want at any hair length. But the thing is, super high volume hairstyles which look crazy are not attractive and don't look cool. That's why you must have seen that in most of my videos I have low volume hairstyles. My hair is drooping down. I mean, like side swept hairstyles. That's what I like, flowy hairstyles. But I don't know why, but some people have this crazy obsession with super high volume hairstyles. What the thing is, the higher the volume of your hair, the better your hair. But that is wrong. Your hair should look like mid-volume and should look flowy, natural, and good, you know. So that's why I didn't go for much volume. Or if I want, I can just take product, make my hair stand like that, apply hairspray, and it will be there all day long, and I'll push the back of my hair front. But that's not what I want. That's not what I want. And I didn't apply any product too. So if I have to go to a party and I want my hair to stay like that forever, then I'll apply a product. But now I'm at home, I don't have any way to go because of quarantine. So yeah. That's the hairstyle. I'll just need to comb it a bit, but so I hope you guys found this video helpful. It's a quick way you can achieve high volume. Push the back of your hair front, push the fringe back, and done! You'll achieve a lot of volume at any hair length. You just need to understand the mechanics of hair. Everyone's hair mechanics are different, so I've been styling my hair since I was 11 years old and now I'm 16. So these 5 years I've learned a lot about my own hair. So even if you're a 16-year-old dude, it's not too late to start. You can experiment with your hair. During the time period of the ages 11 to 16, I've had different hair lengths, different hairstyles. I was in school, so I had shorter hairstyles. But once I was gonna get out of school, I started growing my hair, and I was so happy. Oh my god, my hair reaches my nose. And some people still say, dude, cut it a bit short because you won't be able to achieve volume. And I also think they're right, but that's wrong. And now my hair reaches to my Adam's apple, and I can still achieve a lot of volume. The thing is, understand the mechanics of your hair, understand how your hair works, science of your hair. It's not a science lecture, but understand your hair, understand your body, understand your skin, and you will look much better, and overall everything will be good. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and smash the like button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. It just said that if you follow me on Instagram, your hair becomes much more attractive and you increase your hair volume. Nothing like that, just follow me on Instagram. You guys will love my Instagram feed. And what else? Turn the notifications bell on. And the topic of discussion of today's video is, do you like high volume hairstyles or flowy hairstyles? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.